Hey guys, if your Mac is powering on but the screen is black, then keep watching this video as I'm going to show you a few troubleshooting steps that you can take to fix this issue. So the first thing we're going to do is just ensure that our Mac is not in sleep mode. So in order to do this, you have to press the Option key plus the Command key and the power button all at the same time. So I'm going to do that with you now. Press the Option key and the Command button and then hold the power button, and we're going to hold for a few seconds and then we can just release these keys like so. Wait a couple of seconds and then press the power button and now see if your Mac turns on. If that isn't working, then what we're going to do is just turn off our Mac. So I'm going to hold the power button down for 15 seconds just to ensure the Mac is turned off. And once your Mac is shut down, we then need to disconnect any external devices that might be connected to your Mac. This could be USB sticks or SD cards. You just want to make sure everything is disconnected. Then what you're going to do is place your Mac on charge. So I'm just going to insert the power cable here. And once your Mac is on charge, you can then try powering it up and checking to see if that's also solved the issue. Now, once again, if that doesn't work, I have one more method that should fix it for you guys. So we just need to turn off our Mac once again by holding down the power button for around 10 seconds. Once your Mac is fully shut down, we're now going to try resetting the SMC, or otherwise known as the System Management Controller. So in order to do this, first make sure your Mac is completely shut down, and then we need to press the following keys on your keyboard. So we're going to be pressing the Shift plus the Control plus the Option key and also the power button at the same time. So once again, I'm going to do this with you now. So it's the Shift key, the Control key, and the Option key plus the power button all at the same time, and you need to hold these buttons down for 10 seconds. Now after 10 seconds have passed, you can then release the buttons on your keyboard, and that should have now reset the SMC. So then you can try powering on the Mac, and that should have now solved any black screen issues you were having. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.